Hello lovelies, welcome back once again to my channel. Today we're designing another canvas and we're going to be using some basic painting materials. We are going to start off by shaking the paint and also painting a canvas background to make our image more conspicuous. If it's your first time of joining my channel, you're welcome, and I would like you to subscribe and also press the notification button so anytime I upload a video you will be notified. I set it aside to dry while I prepare other equipment for the next step. So I'm going to be using my weight round jigs to draw the letters. So in this video, I'm just adding some creativity by using any round surface I find available and useful for the drawings. Now we are going to use the black paint to paint all the letters. After painting the letter Coco with black, I realized that the O and the C in the middle are way too far from the others and way too close to each other. But anyway, I'm just pointing this out because I want you to understand that there could be some mistake depending on what you're using to draw your letters. To paint the channel words were a little bit challenging, so I decided to pull out an adhesive tape to cover it up so it would be easier for me to paint. After painting all the letters, I allowed it to dry and then I put off the adhesive tape. Looking at the letters, I noticed there were some mistakes, so I had to do some cleanup and make some corrections to make it look more neater. To give the frame a profound look, I decided to add some lightning strokes to it to add some more definition. After drawing the lightning strokes, I realized that it wasn't looking as much as I wanted it to be. So I decided to keep it for the meantime, and while I go into the next step and also at the same time think of what I want to do to make it look more better. So right now we're going to go into building our flowers on the canvas, and I'm going to be using a glue gun and a glue stick to stick the styropor on the canvas. My intentions of adding this styropor to the canvas is to make the flowers stand out like a 3D image. So adding the flowers to the canvas, we would need to remove the stem from the flowers and then glue it down to the styropor. So after adding the flowers, I decided to review my work to see how the frame was looking. Then I realized I needed to add some more white strokes to the lightning, which I did off camera, and then I nailed the frame to the wall. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye.